MIT did a report last year, or did some report where they found that a certain percentage of AI projects failed. Okay, in the last couple of years, lots of organizations have done AI projects and a certain percentage of them failed. So to the nearest 10%, can you type in what you think? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, just put in those numbers. How high or low do you think it was? I'll share with you then what MIT actually found. Okay, so people are hovering around the 50%, 80%'s high there as well. Okay, so the answer was 90%, actually 95%. 95% of AI projects failed. Okay, these are people who are AI positive, they brought AI in, they were supposedly doing all the right things with AI, and yet 90% of those projects failed. 95% of those projects failed. And the biggest reason when they looked into it was they didn't bring their employees along on that AI journey. Okay, and now employees want to, as much as they're doing it with the kids' basketball teams or the kids themselves who are now being employed, as much as they're already using AI, they want their employers to help them. So what do they want? AI training. When do they want it? Now. Okay, so they absolutely want that. So let's do another little poll here. In your opinion, how many Australians, so this is some Australian research done by EY and St Young, how many Australians, and type in A, B, or C, or D, expect their employer to provide AI training for them? Okay, 25% is A, 45% is B, 65% is C, and 85% is D. So D is taking the lead, or C is catching up. I feel like I'm calling a horse race here. Okay, good. Thanks, everyone. So the answer was C. It was 65%. The first to get there was Kathleen. Congratulations, Kathleen. So, like not everyone, but 2/3 of employees expect their organization, their company is going to be providing that kind of training. And even if you provide that training, that's not enough. It needs to be ongoing training. And it needs to be proper training, appropriate training. If you think that your version of AI training is saying, hey, we got 20 Copilot Enterprise licenses, whoever'd like one, put up your hand, we'll give you one for 3 months, go for it. Okay, that's not AI training. It needs to be there and it needs to be ongoing. A similar question came up earlier to this. This is, I asked people beforehand what questions you have about AI. This was one that came up. I'll keep it anonymous because I didn't ask for permission to share their name, but it's a concern about people using AI and just putting confidential, private, inappropriate information into AI, and then it becomes part of the AI tool's training data in the future. So privacy breaches, security breaches, confidentiality breaches. So so you need that ongoing training. And when it comes to training, it's always a question like, and people go, well, I can't, if I train my people, they'll be good, but then they'll leave. And I go, well, the alternative is you don't train them and they stay, right? So you have to give them the training and you have to make it ongoing training and professional development. Now, the good news is it doesn't need to be that you need to ship them off to a training room and down tools for a day or a week to do their AI training. There's lots of ways that you can do on-the-job training now as well. There's another report on my website about future ready skills. If you download that, that's free as well. There's a page in there about ways to do on-the-job training, not just for AI, but on-the-job training rather than, or in addition to, formal training courses.